Hi everyone, welcome to my channel HR Talks with Khola. And I would hope that by now all of you that are viewing my channel, if you're my current followers, then thank you for following me and stay tuned. And if you're someone who's watching my video for the first time, please follow and subscribe to my channel. And you will see a lot more interesting videos in the coming times as well. So, coming back to the topic that we have to discuss today is the burning topic of the day. I feel at this time, when the budget is out, the increased tax slabs for the salaried employees in Pakistan is somewhat of a very big concern for everyone around me, and specifically for the HR people and for the HR teams. They definitely have to work a lot on employees' low morale, discouragement, demotivation, and feeling that they're somehow earning less salary than what they deserve by the implication of the recent tax slabs on their salaries. So, how can we navigate this change and how can we help employees in these times is what we will discuss. First of all, I would like to say that I have gone through the recent tech labs in 2024, and I'm going to share this document over here as well. And you can clearly see that it is showing an exponential growth in the slabs as compared to the budget of last year 2023, and such an exponential growth in 1 year's time is definitely going to impact your employees in the organization, be it you're part of HR team or you're part of the senior management. You're definitely going to be very careful with how you're going to deal with this situation. I truly feel, as an employee myself, this somewhat come as a shock to me, because when I saw my bracket and the deduction, I was somewhat thinking, how am I going to manage a lot of things? And definitely it is right now in the mind of every employee. So I truly feel that this is the time where all the HR people or non-HR people as well, if somebody in your time is in your company is going through a tough time, you're definitely going to help out. But specifically as HR, because we are responsible for the company's health, for the employees' engagement, for overall morale of employees, which directly impacts their productivity as well. I truly feel this is a time that we need to take a few small steps in order to manage this situation. First of all, I would suggest that all of the people who are hearing me, and if you are in the HR department, we should have open sessions of all the employees with any of the tax consultants, maybe somebody in the organization, or maybe outsourcing a professional who can guide them with complete transparency what kind of impact their salaries will encounter from July 2024, so they have clarity about it. And the next part of the session should be about financial planning and saving. So how can, in these tough times, they can manage their finances in a better situation, and somehow save for their tough times as well. So it is the responsibility of HR department to make sure that employees are part of this session and learn things about their financial wellness, financial savings, and stuff like that. So they are clear about it. They can understand the slabs and see the kind of impact it will have on their salaries. And B, they should get a clear information from a financial executive, a finance executive, or someone who can guide them about how to manage their finances well. Secondly, HR should open a line for any sort of concerns and any sort of feedbacks or comments that the employees have on the recent increase in the tax slabs, so they can answer them as per the policies of their organization, and actually be there to support them as well, because this is the time that every employee would need maximum support. So these are a few things that I feel as HR professionals we can do. We can look out for our employees and make sure they get all the information clearly, B, they get the information about managing their finances well, and 3, that they are able to share their feelings openly with you as well. So at least you can you can help them out, and you can definitely lend them a listening ear, empathetic ear as well, so they know that you're there in these tough times. These are my 2 cents about the situation, and I really hope these tips will help you out. Till next time, thank you very much. It's me signing off.